How to scan QR code on Prime Video. This is a step-by-step guide so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now basically after installing Prime Video on your smart TV, you will then be presented with the login page where you can then go ahead and select two ways on how to sign in. You have the on the web sign in or you have the scan QR code. You can just go ahead and point your mobile camera on the QR code right here, and right after, it will then go ahead and take you into a login page where you can then go ahead and sign in your Prime Video account. And after signing your account on your mobile device, it will automatically sync with your smart TV Prime Video. Just go ahead and wait for it to load in and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.